Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to eat lion's mane mushroom. First, gently clean your lion's mane mushroom with a damp cloth, avoiding direct water to maintain its unique texture. Next, slice the mushroom into 1/2 inch thick pieces. This ensures they cook evenly and absorb flavors beautifully. You can then prepare them for various cooking methods, from sautéing to roasting. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious and healthy meal. Let's get cooking. Lion's mane mushrooms are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can sauté them in a pan with a tablespoon of butter or olive oil until they turn a beautiful golden brown, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Another fantastic option is roasting. Simply toss the slices with a little oil and seasonings, then bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. These methods bring out its unique, crab-like flavor and tender texture, making it a delightful addition to any meal. Lion's mane mushroom boasts a unique flavor profile, often described as a mild, slightly sweet taste with hints of seafood, similar to crab or lobster. It pairs wonderfully with savory ingredients like garlic, fresh thyme, and a splash of soy sauce. Beyond its delicious taste, this mushroom is celebrated for its potential health benefits, including compounds that support brain health and nerve growth factor. Incorporating it into your diet is a tasty way to enjoy both flavor and wellness. Now that you know how to prepare and cook lion's mane, it's time to enjoy. Serve it as a delicious side dish, or use it as a fantastic plant-based meat substitute in sandwiches or tacos. Don't be afraid to experiment with various seasonings and herbs to discover your favorite flavor combinations. For those looking to simplify their cooking, check the description for a link to some excellent leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy the unique taste and benefits of this incredible mushroom in your next meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.